Now, in half reaction method or ion electron method, if the reaction takes place in acidic medium, there are certain rules are used to balance the skeleton redox reaction. In the similar way, if the chemical reaction takes place in basic medium, that means alkaline medium, if the redox reaction takes place in basic medium or in alkaline medium, some of the rules are different. And if the reaction takes place in basic or alkaline medium, the first step is in the last class, if the reaction takes place in acidic medium, first step is write the oxidation state of each element below its symbol. In the similar way, if the reaction takes place in basic medium, write the oxidation number of each element below its symbol. Write the oxidation number of each element below its symbol. Same rule or same step. And the second step is identify which is involved in oxidation and reduction process. And the next step is divide the given equation into oxidation half reaction, and the reduction half reaction. Same rules like in acidic medium. Now, next step is balance the atoms other than oxygen comma hydrogen, balance the atoms other than oxygen comma hydrogen by multiplying with suitable number. This is also same rule in acidic medium. Now, next step is different here, because here the chemical reaction takes place in basic medium or in alkaline medium. Now, to balance the oxygen atoms, add the required number of OH minus ions, hydroxide ions, to the side deficient in oxygen atoms. If the reaction takes place in acidic medium, to balance the oxygen atoms, add the required number of H2O molecules to the side deficient in oxygen atoms. But here the reaction takes place in basic medium or in alkaline medium. That's why to balance the oxygen atoms, add the required number of OH minus ions to the side deficient in oxygen atoms. Now, the next step is to balance the hydrogen atoms. Add the required number of H2O molecules to the side deficient in hydrogen atoms. Suppose if the reaction takes place in acidic medium, to balance the hydrogen atoms, add the required number of H plus ions to the deficient side. But here in basic medium, to balance the hydrogen atoms, add the required number of H2O molecules. That's why, because of this addition of water molecules, both oxygen and hydrogen varies. So follow the step 7. After the addition of water molecules, both oxygen and hydrogen varies in each half reaction. That's why balance the atoms. Balance the oxygen, hydrogen atoms by hit and trial method. Multiply suitable number with OH minus ions. After that, both oxygen and hydrogen atoms are balanced. So this is the new point here. To balance the hydrogen atoms, if you add the required number of H2O molecules to the side deficient in hydrogen atoms, automatically the hydrogen and oxygen number varies. So after that, balance those two atoms by hit and trial method. That means multiply OH minus ions with suitable integer like 2, 3, like that. After that, all the atoms, that means both hydrogen and atom and the oxygen atom, both are balanced after the seventh step. And then next step is balance the charge. Balance the charge by adding the required number of electrons. That means required number of electrons are added to the product side in oxidation half reaction. Required number of electrons are added to the reactant side in the reduction half reaction. Now, next step is equalize the number of electrons by multiplying with suitable number. And last one is the final balanced equation is final balanced redox reaction is obtained by adding the above two half reactions. So these are the rules in half reaction method. If the chemical reaction takes place in alkaline medium. Same rules except if you want to balance the oxygen atoms in alkaline medium, add the required number of OH minus ions in the deficient side. After that, to balance the hydrogen atoms, add the required number of water molecules to the side deficient in hydrogen atoms. The remaining steps are same. So this is about the different steps used to balance the redox reaction in alkaline medium by using half reaction or ion electron method. Now, one of the example of redox reaction which takes place in basic medium is Cr OH thrice plus IO3 minus in alkaline medium CrO4 minus 2 and I minus will be formed. Now this is a skeletal equation. If you want to balance this equation by using half reaction method or ion electron method, first step number 1 is write the oxidation state of each element below its symbol. In any compound, OH compound radical charge is -1. Therefore, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to +3. So, in chromium hydroxide, chromium oxidation state is +3 because in any compound, OH compound radical oxidation state is -1. That means in OH minus, O oxidation state is -2, hydrogen oxidation state is +1. Similarly, in IO3 minus, O oxidation state is fixed. From compound to compound, iodine oxidation state varies. That's why x minus 6 is equal to -1 and x is equal to +5. And in CrO4 minus 2, for oxygen it is -2. X minus 8 is equal to -2 and x is equal to +6. That means chromium oxidation state in chromate ion is +6. This is simple radical, charge is -1. Here this chemical reaction takes place in alkaline medium. Now step number 2 is identify which is involved in oxidation and reduction process. Chromium +3 to +6, +3 to +6, increase in oxidation number value, increase in oxidation number. So this is an oxidation process. And iodine +5 to -1. So this is decrease in oxidation number value, decrease in oxidation number value. So this is a reduction process. So second step is chromium hydroxide is oxidized to chromate ion. Iodate ion is reduced to iodide ion. And then next one is step number 3 is divide the given equation into two half reactions. One is oxidation half reaction, and then other one is reduction half reaction. In this example, the oxidation half reaction is Cr OH thrice is oxidized to chromate ion, and iodate ion is reduced to I minus ion. So with the help of oxidation number values, in this example, oxidation half reaction is CrOH thrice is converted into CrO4 minus 2, IO3 minus is converted into I minus. And then the next step is balance the atoms, other than oxygen comma hydrogen. In oxidation half reaction, and in reduction half reaction, other than O comma H are already balanced. Chromium and chromium balanced. Iodine and iodine. So copy the same equation. CrOH thrice is oxidized to CrO4 minus 2, and IO3 minus is reduced to I minus. In this example, in oxidation half reaction, other than O comma H is chromium. It is already balanced one time and one time. In the reduction half reaction, iodine and iodine, it is also balanced already. Now, next step is balance the oxygen atoms. Balance the oxygen atoms by adding the required number of OH minus ions in the deficient side. In this oxidation of reaction, in the reactant side, oxygen number is 3. In the product side, oxygen number is 4. So this is the answer here. CrOH thrice plus OH minus is converted into CrO4 minus 2. Oxygen atoms are balanced. Here in this reduction half reaction, in the reactant side there are 3 oxygens. In the product side there is no oxygen. That's why IO3 minus is converted into I minus plus 3 OH minus. 3 OH minus. And then balance the hydrogen atoms. Balance the hydrogen atoms by adding the required number of H2O molecules in the deficient side. In this oxidation half reaction, the hydrogen number is 3 plus 1, 4. Here there are no hydrogens. That's why CrOH thrice plus OH minus gives rise to CrO4 minus 2 plus 4H2O. 4H2O. Here the hydrogen number is 3 in the product side. In the reactant side there is no hydrogen. So IO3 minus plus 3H2O gives rise to I minus plus 3OH minus. IO3 minus plus 3H2O gives rise to I minus plus 3OH minus. After that, both oxygen and hydrogens are varies by the addition of water molecules. That's why next step is balance the oxygen comma hydrogen by hit and trial method. Hit and trial method. Hit and trial method. Here the hydrogen number is 8. Here it is 3 plus 1, 4. That's why if you multiply OH minus with 5, now all the atoms are balanced. See here, CrOH thrice plus 5 into OH minus. So here suitable multiplication number for OH minus ions is equal to 5, gives rise to CrO4 minus 2 plus 4H2O. Check yourself. Hydrogen 3 plus 5, 8. Oxygen 3 plus 5, 8. Here also hydrogen number is 8. Oxygen number is also 8. Now here there are 6 hydrogens and 3 oxygens, that's why multiply 3 OH minus with 2. Now iO3 minus plus 3 H2O gives rise to I minus plus 6 OH minus. 6 hydrogens, 3 plus 3, 6 oxygens, in the product side also 6 oxygens. So this is the very important step here. After the addition of water molecules to balance the hydrogen atoms, after that both oxygen number and hydrogen number varies. After that balance the oxygen comma hydrogen by hit and trial method. Generally multiply with the suitable number with the OH minus. Here in oxidation of reaction, if you multiply OH minus with 5, all the oxygen and hydrogen atoms are balanced in oxidation half reaction. In the reduction half reaction, if you multiply 3 OH minus into 2, all the oxygen and hydrogen atoms are balanced. Now, next one is next step is balance the charge by adding the required number of electrons. In oxidation of reaction, in the reactant side, this is a molecule 0 charge, so in the reactant side charge is minus 5. Here it is minus 2. So add 3 electrons in the product side to balance the charge. So CrOH thrice plus 5 OH minus gives rise to CrO4 minus 2 plus 4 H2O plus 3 electrons. Similarly, in reduction half reaction, in the reactant side charge is minus 1. In the product side charge is minus 1. In the product side charge is minus 7. So add 6 electrons in the reactant side, because gaining of electrons is known as reduction process. So iO3 minus plus 3 H2O plus 6 electrons gives rise to I minus plus 6 OH minus. So in these two half reactions, both the atoms and charge is balanced. And then next step is equalize the number of electrons. Equalize the number of electrons. This oxidation half reaction is multiplied with 2, because in the reduction of reaction, in the reactant side there are 6 electrons. So Cr OH thrice plus 5 OH minus gives rise to CrO4 minus 2 plus 4H2O plus 3 electrons into 2, and this is into 1. IO3 minus plus 3H2O plus 6 electrons gives rise to I minus plus 6 OH minus. And the final step is, by adding these two half reactions, the final balanced redox reaction will be obtained. 2 CrOH thrice plus 10 OH minus gives rise to 2CrO4 minus 2 plus 8H2O plus 6 electrons. And the reduction of reaction is IO3 minus plus 3H2O plus 6 electrons is equal to I minus plus 6 OH minus. Cancel the electrons number. Now the final answer is 2 CrOH thrice plus IO3 minus, here in the reactant side 10 OH minus, in the product side 6 OH minus. So 10 minus 6, 4 OH minus gives rise to 2 CrO4 minus 2 plus I minus plus 8H2O minus 3H2O, that is equal to 5H2O. Now this is the final balanced redox reaction if the reaction takes place in alkaline medium. So this is very important example for intermediate public examination purpose or in objective bits also. So this is about the balancing of redox reactions by using half reaction method or ion electron method, both in acidic medium and alkaline medium.